Kublish punya piki parlok kibju satenat menpejakan eka video hakan eka channel. Te mentah hakan eka video nganai ka jibintip ya ki kam laplai daka Assam Rifle namta ki push jong ki technical but treatment haki virus threat tane discipline. Te pejakan eka video adu bandakot dengan pensyaya pi kum ki nombor ki push ki pelat megalia ka addiction qualification ka age limit but kum noban apply. Te parlok ada pidang temai hakan eka channel seha ban like ya kan eka video bat kumjuro ban subscribe ya kan eka channel. Ka office jong ka Director General Assam Rifle Shillong ka code application namun taki post jong ki technical but treatment haki various threat but cluster bersumit ya ki application form go jong pi kadai ha ka khakanai trik November arjar arpulai te ha ki post jong ki treatment ki nombor ki post ki blaj ha bor ki state ha India ki don hadu chispan rihuai post but ha meglia ki post ki blaj ki dei ha ki post jong ki warden officer ki dei ha ki personal assistant but ki nombor ki post ki blaj ka don tangkawai but hakarta ka phila apply kadai hakarta ka bakhat prah do apply snam karta but snam ka relaxation namanta ki SC ST candidate but namanta ki post wise essential qualification part namanta ki personal assistant ki shim ya ki bela pendap ya ka 10 plus 2 lane ka class 12 pass na kano ka recognized board lane university but lengba ka dictation 4 minute but pra 4 minute per content haka transcription san 4 minute haka English lane drop san minute haka Hindi but namanta ka selection process part kadai lengba ka physical test physical efficiency test but writing test te haki application fees namanta ki group B post kadai arts patengka but namanta ki group C post kadai shis patengka but namanta ki SC ST female but ex-serviceman omdon but kane ka fees fila aban deposit online sha ka SBI account baru account number ngalabu a description jong kane ka video jong ka recruitment branch headquarter DGR Shillong New Kandai Lai not Iway not te komno fila aban apply namta kane ka Assam Rifle recruitment arjar apply namta ki post jong ki technical but treatment job te parlok ada pidon kamon bat ka keren pule fila aban apply online lengba ka official website jong ka Assam Rifle recruitment portal nadu ka 3 Oktober hadu ka kharkhanai 3 November arjar arpulai but kaling ban apply ngalabu a description jong ka video te parlok tangini jimentia bat lada pisau tenat ya ka video sewawan aila ya ka video bat kumjuro ban subscribe ya ka channel kublish bon.